Hello, my healthy people. Welcome back to Maxine's Corner. In today's video, I'll be making a delicious mango salsa. I have 10 grape tomatoes, and these are organic. Always buy your tomatoes organic because they are a part of the what? Dirty Dozen. Here I have 1 apple, and I'm just gonna cut it up small, nothing fancy. I'll be adding my 1 apple to this. To that I have 1/4 cups of what? Red onions. If you don't like onions, you don't need to put the onions in. You could omit that, okay? Let's go ahead and cut up some strawberries. And once again, guys, this is a part of the Dirty Dozen, so always buy your strawberries organic, okay? Let's move that over there. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It is absolutely free. If you are enjoying these recipes, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you enjoy Maxine's Corner, give the video a big thumbs up. If you love strawberries, give the video a big thumbs up. Once again, thank you. Like I said, we are almost at 10,000 subscribers, and I am so excited. I cannot wait for 10,000 subscribers. And I appreciate all of you. I am going to add my strawberries. The star of the show, our mangoes. So here I will be using 2 mangoes. So I'm just going to show you how to cut the first one. And then you can take it from there for the other one. These mangoes are not pretty big. And make sure your mangoes are not overly ripe. Because, you know, oh, I love my knife. So I just cut it like this and cut off the sides. Cut as much off as you can so you can cut it up. Okay. Make sure your hands are clean when you're cutting your mangoes, because your hands are going to be all over everything, guys. So just make sure you have clean hands whenever you're cooking. That should be something that's very important. So let's just cut off everything here. Right now I just want to eat this just like that. I just want to be like, oh, I want to eat it. If you love mangoes, give this video a big thumbs up. So I'm going to take my knife. Now be careful, because I'm used to working with knife, and I don't want you to take it and go like this and then it goes all the way through. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it down and then I'm just going to slice it this way, that way, all the way across. And then just cut it up like that, like that. And just go ahead and scoop it out like this. See that? Just like that. Just scoop it like that. You will do it the same way for the other part of the mango as well. See that? Nothing goes to waste. All you have is just the skin, all right? Okay, guys, so I decided just to use 1 mango. I find that that was more than enough, so I didn't use the 2 mangoes, okay? So just 1 mango was perfectly fine for me. So for this deliciousness, I have the juice of 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. I'll be adding 1/2 teaspoons of salt. Trust me on this, guys. This is going to taste really good. And I'm using Himalayan salt. And that's all you need for this. Perfect for the entire family. Everyone will love it. And it's simple and easy. You can have this with some tofu. You're making it in advance. This will last for about 3 days in the refrigerator, but I'm sure it will be done before that. I'm just gonna add a little dry parsley on top. It's done. And let me give it a taste. A delicious mango salad, fruit salad, mango salsa. Call it what you want. I call it deliciousness. Let me taste. This is not gonna last you 3 days because it's so good. You're gonna eat it so fast. That's it, guys. That's all I have for Maxine's Corner today. If you love the video, go ahead and do what? Give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe for more wonderful videos. And I'll see you guys next time. And say it with me. Stay healthy.